14 points up for the Nifty, which is not all that powerful, but the fact that we are now just striking distance away from 6,000, that just tells you that it's pointless to be extremely bearish on the Nifty, at least in the near term. HUL was the big mover yesterday. You want to stay with HUL because that really will be the big talking point today as well. 8 rupees down for HUL. That's a cut of about 7 rupees now. Let's look at other FMCG stocks now. So after HUL, we go down the ladder. Let's look at ITC, Dabur, Nestle, Britannia, Godrej, and Imami along with Marico. So FMCG stocks are off to a flat start, but bear in mind yesterday was an exceptionally strong day for all FMCG stocks, so they deserve to correct. What about PSU banks? Is there a respite for PSU banks? Yes and no. State Bank of India has stopped falling, but after a 7-8% crack, if large cap PSU stocks are not bouncing back with a lot of force, that is indication of inherent weakness, and then that is not indication of some kind of a trading bottom. OBC, HDFC Bank, numbers were okay, bad loans have gone up, that is disturbing the market. And today you've got TCS, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank. What's happening there? Let's look at it. TCS, new high for TCS, a new 50 to be fair rather. Kotak Mahindra Bank, 711. And Axis Bank ahead of numbers is at 1200 rupees.
Lots of other earnings as well, besides of course these Nifty 50 names. You've got IDBI Bank, Bajaj Finserv, Rallis India, DB Corp, and Mindtree amongst the mid-cap ID space as well, which is slated to come out with its earnings. Just want to see what IGL is up to, considering the long build-up in the stock in yesterday's session ahead of the hearing in case against PNGRB today. Watch out for this one as well. Exide, wherein Credit Suisse has upgraded the stock after the first quarter performance. Watch out for that one too. Exide has gotten off to a smart start. And SKS Microfinance, wherein Vikram Akula has hiked stake in the company, may see some rub off on the stock. And yes, sure enough, up nearly 2% on SKS Micro. It's back to those 100 sort of levels. Igarishi Motors, a small cap stock, but Agile Electric and Blackstone are likely to make an open offer for the company's shares. So that should just come for you on your screens as well. Meantime, Jyoti Structures, Liberty Phosphates are some stocks which would be reacting to their earnings post-market hours. And of course, PE fund is looking, or rather PE fund is set to exit Idea as well as HCL Technologies. That is something you read first in the Times of India this morning. HCL versus MIAL case in the Bombay High Court has adjourned the matter till Tuesday next week. And Reliance Industries is looking to approach the Supreme Court now on the KG-D6 arbitration. That is something you read first in the Economic Times. Reliance has held out pretty well, as was the case yesterday. I just want to revisit the entire FMCG space. So let's see what Unilever is up to. Dabur, Britannia, ITC, all these names held out very well yesterday. Dabur still makes a good move, up 2%. Marico, ITC, all in the green. It's only Unilever which is tapering off a wee bit.